Wellness and our series on diet and nutrition. We all know that for us to do lifestyle modification, the most important thing is eating a well-balanced meal, because that brings in the transformation of not just our body but also our mind. In our last episode with Deepa Kamath, who's a nutritionist, she explained to us how we have to be mindful and smart about what we eat. And today I am super excited to be talking to my friend Sunita, who has made simple changes in her everyday meals, and the results speak for themselves, because she has adopted this diet plan in a very religious manner, almost like a sadhana. She follows this plan every single day, not only for her but for the entire family. But one thing is, she is an excellent chef and she has not compromised on the taste. So let's go in. I can't wait to see what her smart plate looks like. Before we go in, let me just remind you to like, subscribe and share the Digital Wellness channel, because we're doing a whole lot of episodes on diet and nutrition. Our previous episode with Deepa Kamath, she explains very well about the different diet plans and why we should focus on eating smart. Do check it out, leave your comments, and let's go see what Sunita is cooking. Hi Sunita.
Hello Shamla.
Oh, it's so nice to see you and giving us this opportunity to share your story. Can't wait to get started.
Welcome to Mudde Bihar Kazabad.
What really inspired you to make these diet changes? How long back did you start? What were your goals? And after all these days, what are the results you've seen?
Well, the results are really amazing.
Good.
It all started a year back when my husband critically fell ill.
Oh.
He had a very bad respiratory tract infection.
So sorry.
He was overweight. He had problems with his knee. He was diabetic. So I thought I have to do something about it. I did quite a bit of research, and then finally I read quite a lot of articles also, and finally decided to plan a diet so that it becomes effective. He loses weight and his health improves. And I have to tell you this, in about 8 months he has lost 12 kgs of weight.
Wow.
And I have been following the same diet,
Okay.
and I have lost 8 kgs.
That's-
I too was slightly obese. I too had knee problem.
Okay.
But now everything has vanished.
You know, Sunita, success of anything is in the pudding, and I cannot believe that this diet plan that you've chosen. By the way, what diet plan did you choose?
It's actually a high protein, low carb diet,
Okay.
and we have cut off all dairy products.
Okay.
I don't have, like we in the family don't have milk and milk products at
So
all.
no, nothing white.
Nothing white.
Okay, it's a vegan diet.
It's a vegan diet.
Okay.
And along with that, we have stopped having white rice,
Okay.
maida,
Mm-hmm.
sugar, anything that is white.
Makes sense. Makes a lot of sense, because I think I've read a lot of articles and I've read about all the diets, and it just proves over and over again, if you give up your white, anything that is white, whether it's white bread or sugar, that is the first step in accepting a diet plan.
Correct.
And making changes to our everyday food that we eat, isn't it?
Correct.
Oh, wonderful. Can we see what
Yeah,
your
sure.
breakfast and lunch looks like?
I'll show you what I had for my breakfast today
Cool.
and what I have made for lunch.
Okay.
And I'll be showing you a very healthy,
High protein.
high protein meal.
Okay.
That is a complete meal in all.
I can't wait to see, and I know you are a super duper chef, and I can't wait to taste what you've cooked. Come on, let's go inside.
I'm sure you'll like it.
Yeah, let's go. Shall we go inside?
Yeah.
You know, we've heard about several diets. starting from A for Atkins to keto to high protein, low carb, intermittent fasting. But as Sunita says, it is very important to not just pick a diet plan, but also to personalize it to our own taste. In fact, yesterday's paper in Times of India and Indian Express covered not only the various diets but also the benefits of choosing a diet plan, and they say that Mediterranean diet is the best diet for 2021. So I just can't wait to go inside and see what Sunita is doing. Let's go along. This table looks so colorful and enticing, Sunita.
Thank you.
And I am impressed with the way you have done diet control, weight management, and also disease management. So what did you have for breakfast today?
Well, this is my breakfast plate. A bowl full of salad, a bowl of sprouts, and 2 pieces of dhokla. This is the ideal diet for breakfast.
Hey Sunita, this sprouts or usli looks really interesting. What pulses have you used and how long did you soak it, and just explain to us how you made this.
I have used moong sprouts.
Okay.
And this is a moong sprout
Yeah.
with madke, and that is
So you
moth-
basically
moth.
soak it until it sprouts, right? Yeah.
And I have added a bit of chana also.
Okay. And what oil did you use here?
I used olive oil.
Okay.
And to enhance the nutrition value, I have added seeds of pumpkin, sunflower, and melon. I have also added seeds of sabja and chia.
Okay.
And along with that, to increase the taste, bit of lime juice, salt, chaat masala, and green chilies.
Okay. So you have not compromised on the taste
at all.
Yes, and it really looks very colorful.
Of basil, and it is a dish high in protein. To enhance the taste, I have used grated coconut and coriander leaves,
Yeah.
along with lime juice, salt, and tadka of curry leaves.
The coconut is an excellent way of making it colorful and also bringing the good fat into your diet.
Yeah.
Salad is again you've got red and greens, and I think that makes you want to eat a salad, isn't it?
Yeah, sure. I have used cucumbers, tomatoes, carrots, radish, all raw.
Good. Hey Sunita, tell me this. When you switched to this high protein diet, right? Did you have to make any changes for different people in your house? I know you've got your son and you've got your your mother who's a senior citizen. So did you have to cook different things for different people? How did they all take to the new diet?
No, actually they enjoyed this. The change was welcome, and
Fantastic.
actually my mother's health improved after I started giving her this breakfast.
So how old is your mother again?
My mother is 80 years old,
Wow.
and I could see a drastic change in her health
Okay.
over a period of 1 month after feeding her with this breakfast.
Okay. And I think the key is you have not compromised on the taste.
Yeah.
So I'm sure your son is not missing the old way of cooking, and he has taken to your new style of
No,
olive
he-
oil and
No, not at all.
Oh.
He is a great foodie
Ah.
and loves different varieties of food.
wonderful.
And this being a bit chatpata, he loves
Yes.
it. He
We
loves
all
it.
like charts, don't we? And this looks so colorful and it brings in that spice. Sunita, breakfast was yummy. Now, do you follow the same diet even for your lunch and dinner?
Yeah. I'll show you my lunch plate.
Come on, let's go.
Continuing with my vegan diet plan, I am from North Karnataka and would like to show you my lunch plate for today, which consists of carrot kosamri with moong dal and badnekai enagai or eggplant curry and pumpkin sambar, along with sorghum flour roti, or we call it jawar roti. This jawar roti can be replaced by either a chapati or a bowl of brown rice. It's left to the choice. You can eat anything.
Sunita, I really like the way that you are managing, ensuring everybody gets all the nutrients like proteins and vegetables and dal and roti. I had a question. You said that your mother was 80 years old and protein is a little hard to digest as we get older. How do you manage that with her?
Well, this is a smart plate,
Mm-hmm.
and I have ensured that I include cereals, dal,
Right.
vegetables, and raw vegetables.
Okay.
So let me start with this. This is a kosamri that we call in North Karnataka. I'm basically from North Karnataka. This is kosamri of moong dal and carrots.
Hmm.
This is a vegetable of eggplant, which we call it as tumgai or yengai.
Yengai. Yes.
And this is
That's my favorite.
This is a pumpkin sambar
Mm-hmm.
and one shorgam roti or jodad roti, which we call it.
Correct.
And for my mother, I use more of dal,
Mm-hmm.
less of roti, and very less
Of the kosamri.
kosamri because
Okay.
it is difficult for her to digest.
Correct.
As the sabji is cooked,
Yeah.
she doesn't find it difficult to consume.
Correct.
For my son, I increase the portions of the rotis,
Mm-hmm.
and as he is young, he can eat as much as he wants.
I know. Isn't it nice to be young? And you know, talking about young people, they are into other kinds of diet, right? Like we've talked about Mexican, Mediterranean, Italian.
Chinese,
Do you, yeah, do
different
you
kinds.
do anything different so that he gets interested in the food you cook?
Yeah, surely. He loves a variety of food.
Okay.
Today I have prepared something that I'll show it to you, and it is a Mediterranean dish, Indianized.
Can't wait to see Sunita. Come, let me show. Why don't you show that plate?
Now I'll show you a customized dish with my cooking for my son. I'm making a dish for him which is called Jawar Pita Pockets. It is an Indianized version of Mediterranean dish. I am using jawar rotis for it, which is made out of sorghum flour or jawar flour. This is homemade hummus made out of chickpeas, onions, lime, red chilies and salt. This is a purely vegan, non-dairy, homemade mayonnaise made out of cashews and onion, garlic, salt and of course lime juice. These are falafels made out of green peas, coriander leaves, mint leaves, and to add spice I've used green chilies. For the toppings I've used different vegetables. I have capsicum, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrot, onions and a lot of spinach leaves cut finely. Now let me show you how I prepare the jawar pita pockets.
Okay.
I've taken a jawar roti.
Alright.
I'll spread the hummus, homemade hummus on it
Mm-hmm.
liberally.
Oh, so you need a thick coating of the hummus on
a
top
thick
of it.
coating of the hummus
Okay.
so that the children get all the
Protein.
required protein and the nutrients,
Yes.
and of course taste also.
Yes, yes, yes. Let's not forget the taste.
And then I'll place these falafels, 2 or 3
Mm-hmm.
as the size of the pita
Roti.
pocket is.
Yeah.
Apply a bit of mayonnaise
For taste.
for taste.
And I like the fact that it's completely vegan and dairy free. You know, that makes it more interesting.
And for the toppings I'll add the veggies,
Okay.
cucumbers, tomatoes,
Okay. Should I get this for you, closer? Some carrots. Okay. And some onions. Huh?
onions,
All right. And what is that? Is that spinach?
spinach,
Okay. Palak.
palak,
Ah.
finely cut
Okay.
into long strands. And then
So tempting.
fold it
All right.
and you can place it as it is,
You
or
want to place it on the plate?
or I'll
You can place it on the plate. Yeah.
or I'll cut it into 2 pieces so that it will be easier for them to eat.
And also they can see what they're eating, huh? This looks yummy. This looks, let me help you. Shall I help you?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Hold on, let me. Alright. This looks yum, Sunita. And you can see all the goodies inside. I see all the vegetables. I see your falafels. It looks just yum. I guess for a salad you can also add some of the...
Some more of veggies over here. Well, this is the Jowar pita pockets. It has everything what a smart plate should have. It has cereals, it has proteins in the form of dal, it has all the veggies, and to add to the taste, hummus and mayonnaise. This is a different variety of the same food that we have. We usually make it for lunch or dinner when we are bored of the usual routine meal. This is my son's favorite.
Sunita, this is amazing. You
you.
have shown us how to do different kinds of plating for different people based on their taste.
With the same
With the
ingredients.
same ingredients, with the same dish based on their taste requirements. And you're truly a celebrity chef.
Thank you.
You know, and I know you wear multiple hats. You are an electrical engineer by profession. Was one of the favorite teachers as a head of electrical engineering in your college. And you started doing other things too. Tell us a little bit about what else are you interested in?
Well, let me begin with my engineering. After my engineering, immediately after my engineering, I got married.
Ah,
And I had two kids, two wonderful kids who are all grown up now. I was busy taking care of them and taking care of my mother-in-law. After a few days, I did my master's in electrical engineering, started working, and my highest post was the head of the department of electrical engineering in an engineering college.
Cool.
Apart from doing all that, I am very fond of cooking.
I know. You're a celebrity chef.
I usually try out all the dishes which are tasty, look good, and try it out on my son.
He's a foodie.
Along with that, I have found a new love in my life now, which is tabla. I have started learning tabla. It has been 2 years now,
Ah,
and I'm happy to say that my teacher appreciates the way I play tabla a lot.
I'm sure you feed him too with all your yummy dishes here. And you know, Sunita, the way you explained everything, and you're so detail oriented. The passion for teaching, the passion for being detail oriented just comes out of you so naturally. And I can't thank you enough for letting us come into your house.
I would like to add one more thing.
Yeah.
I have been a teacher with QMath for about a year now.
And that's for the younger kids, isn't it?
I teach the younger kids maths.
Oh, cool. I know kids love math if you teach it, because you teach it the right way. And again, thank you so much. Thank you so much for doing this, letting us come to your house, sharing how you make things. And I just can't wait to eat because I'm really starving.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye, Suni.
Bye.
We at Digital Wellness believe in holistic approach for connecting the body, mind and soul. And Sunita has shown us as the pudding, proof of the pudding, in not only following the diet that is suitable for her family, and the way she does a smart plate for each one of them. You know, it's really a sadhana, like I said earlier, because selecting the diet plan is the first step, but then you need to follow the plan every single day to get the results that she has done, that she has shown that we can also do. If you would like the recipe of her wonderful Jowar pita pockets, visit Flavors of Bangalore, and the description will give you the link to the website. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you are following a particular diet that is working for you, do leave us a comment, and we'd love to hear your story. Thank you for watching and have a good day.